Khambhat, a city in Gujarat, India, holds centuries of history. Nestled on the Gulf of Khambhat, it was once a bustling port city. Known as Khambhat, it connected India to the world. Traders exchanged spices, textiles, and precious stones. Today, Khambhat offers a glimpse into India's rich past. It is a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine. Khambhat's legacy is tied to the sea. Its strategic location attracted merchants and empires. The city's architecture reflects its diverse heritage. Ancient ruins stand alongside colonial buildings. Khambhat's story is a tapestry of influences. It is a testament to India's vibrant past and enduring spirit. Khambhat's charm lies in its ability to transport visitors through time. The remnants of its glorious past are visible. They whisper tales of ancient mariners and bustling markets. The city's historical significance is undeniable. Khambhat beckons travelers to explore its hidden treasures. It is a reminder of India's enduring connection to the world. Khambhat's story is a testament to the power of trade, culture, and human resilience. It is a place where the past and present coexist. Khambhat invites exploration and discovery. Khambhat's history as a trading center dates back centuries. Known as Khambhat, it was a vital port on the Silk Road. Its merchants traded with Arabia, Persia, and East Africa. Khambhat's prosperity was legendary. It was renowned for its textiles, indigo dye, and carnelian stones. During the Gujarat Sultanate, Khambhat flourished. The sultans recognized its strategic importance. They invested in its infrastructure and protected its trade routes. Khambhat became a gateway to the Western world. It attracted merchants and travelers from far and wide. The Mughal Empire further cemented Khambhat's significance. Emperor Akbar granted it special trading privileges. This led to a surge in economic activity. Khambhat's shipyards produced some of the finest vessels in the region. Its merchants amassed vast fortunes. Khambhat's decline began with the rise of the Marathas and the British East India Company. Political instability and shifting trade routes took their toll. However, Khambhat's legacy as a trading powerhouse endured. Its story is a reminder of India's maritime prowess. Khambhat's influence extended far beyond its shores. The Gulf of Khambhat, a shallow inlet of the Arabian Sea, defines Khambhat's landscape. It is a place of unique beauty and ecological significance. The Gulf is known for its extreme tides and vast mudflats. These mudflats are home to a variety of marine life. Mangrove forests line the coast, providing a haven for birds and other animals. The Gulf of Khambhat is a vital breeding ground for marine species. It supports a rich ecosystem that's essential to the region's biodiversity. The interplay of tides creates a constantly changing landscape. Sandy beaches offer stunning views of the Gulf. The sunsets over the water are particularly breathtaking. The Gulf of Khambhat's beauty lies in its raw and untamed nature. It is a reminder of the power and fragility of the natural world. The Gulf's unique environment has shaped the lives of Khambhat's people for generations. It provides sustenance through fishing and salt production. The Gulf of Khambhat is an integral part of Khambhat's identity. It is a source of both beauty and livelihood. Lothal, an ancient city located near Khambhat, is an archaeological marvel. It was once a thriving port city of the Indus Valley civilization. Lothal's discovery in 1954 revolutionized our understanding of ancient India's maritime capabilities. The city's well-preserved ruins offer valuable insights into a bygone era. Lothal's most striking feature is its massive dockyard. It is one of the oldest known docks in the world. The dockyard's sophisticated design suggests advanced engineering skills. It indicates extensive trade networks with other civilizations. Lothal's maritime prowess was unparalleled in its time. Archaeologists have unearthed numerous artifacts at Lothal. These findings include seals, pottery, and beads. They provide evidence of trade links with Mesopotamia and Egypt. Lothal's strategic location on the Gulf of Khambhat facilitated its maritime dominance. Today, Lothal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It attracts history enthusiasts and archaeologists from around the globe. Lothal's ruins stand as a testament to India's ancient maritime heritage. They offer a glimpse into the ingenuity and sophistication of the Indus Valley civilization. Khambhat experiences a hot, semi-arid climate. The city's proximity to the Gulf of Khambhat influences its weather patterns. Summers are long and hot, with temperatures often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. The humidity can be high, making the heat even more intense. The monsoon season from June to September brings some relief from the heat. However, rainfall can be unpredictable and often comes in short, intense bursts. Winters in Khambhat are mild and pleasant. The sea breeze provides a welcome respite from the heat. Khambhat's climate has shaped the rhythms of life for its residents. The intense heat requires adaptations and daily routines. People seek shade during the hottest hours of the day. The monsoon season brings its own challenges, including flooding and waterlogging. Despite the challenges, Khambhat's people have learned to live in harmony with their environment. They have developed sustainable practices for agriculture, fishing, and salt production. Khambhat's climate is an integral part of its identity. Section 6. Sustenance from the land and sea. Khambhat's economy. Khambhat's economy is deeply intertwined with its natural resources. Agriculture, fishing, and salt production are the mainstays of the local economy. The fertile lands surrounding the city support the cultivation of cotton, millet, and oilseeds. Farmers have adapted to the region's semi-arid climate. Fishing plays a vital role in Khambhat's economy. The Gulf of Khambhat is home to a variety of fish species. Fishermen use traditional methods to catch their haul. The daily catch is sold in local markets, providing fresh seafood to the community. Salt production is another important economic activity. The shallow waters of the Gulf of Khambhat are ideal for salt extraction. Salt pans, vast shallow ponds, dot the coastline. Seawater is evaporated in these pans, leaving behind salt crystals. Khambhat's economy is a testament to the resourcefulness of its people. They have learned to harness the bounty of both the land and the sea. These traditional industries provide livelihoods for a significant portion of the population. Section 7. The spirit of Khambhat culture and traditions. Khambhat is a city steeped in culture and traditions. The people of Khambhat are known for their warmth and hospitality. They take pride in their heritage and are eager to share it with visitors. The city's cultural tapestry is woven from various influences. Khambhat is home to several ancient temples and mosques. These religious sites reflect the city's diverse religious communities. Festivals are an integral part of Khambhat's cultural calendar. Navratri, Diwali, and Eid are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Traditional crafts are an important part of Khambhat's cultural heritage. The city is known for its intricate beadwork, embroidery, and pottery. These handicrafts are not only a source of income, but also a form of artistic expression. They reflect the skills and creativity passed down through generations. Khambhat's cuisine is a blend of flavors. Seafood features prominently in local dishes. The use of fresh spices and herbs adds depth and aroma to the food. Khambhat's cultural richness is evident in its festivals, crafts, and cuisine. Section 8. Discovering Khambhat's treasures. Points of interest. Khambhat offers a wealth of attractions for visitors seeking history, culture, and natural beauty. Lothal, the ancient Indus Valley civilization port city, is a must-visit. Its well-preserved ruins provide a fascinating glimpse into India's maritime past. The Gulf of Khambhat, with its unique ecosystem and coastal beauty, is another highlight. Visitors can explore the mudflats, mangrove forests, and sandy beaches. Birdwatching and dolphin spotting are popular activities. Khambhat Fort, built during the Gujarat Sultanate, stands as a reminder of the city's strategic importance. The fort offers panoramic views of the city and the Gulf of Khambhat. Visitors can explore its ramparts, bastions, and gateways. Marine sanctuaries protect the Gulf of Khambhat's rich biodiversity. These sanctuaries provide a safe haven for marine species. Visitors can learn about the importance of conservation efforts. Khambhat offers a unique blend of historical sites, natural wonders, and cultural experiences. Section 9. Khambhat, where history meets nature's embrace. Khambhat, Gujarat's hidden gem, offers a captivating journey through time and nature. From its ancient trading legacy as Khambhat to its modern-day charm, the city has retained its unique character. The Gulf of Khambhat, with its breathtaking beauty and ecological significance, adds to the city's allure. Lothal's archaeological treasures unveil the maritime prowess of ancient India. The city's cultural heritage, reflected in its festivals, crafts, and warm hospitality, leaves a lasting impression. Khambhat's economy, deeply rooted in agriculture, fishing, and salt production, showcases the resilience of its people. Khambhat's historical sites, natural wonders, and cultural experiences offer something for everyone. Whether exploring ancient ruins, witnessing the vibrant marine life, or immersing oneself in local traditions, visitors are sure to be captivated by Khambhat's unique charm. Khambhat is a destination that invites exploration and discovery. It is a place where history meets nature's embrace.